So far today, I have removed the front trunk and the body panels, cleaned my horribly bug-infested radiators out, changed my antifreeze, put a Baja sway bar in, and now I am putting on Baja spring adjusters. This is a 2014 RT. I did that side and got all my ducks in a row, so I'll video doing this side now. And the directions say not to remove the frunk. I removed the frunk so I could clean my radiators. I'm keep out the trash grills in the intake of the frunk. So anyway, there's a video on that, and it is way easier if your frunk is off. So here we go. A little bit of a puzzle getting this out. I had some troubles with my cheapy Tusk spring compressors, so here's what I came up with. I was having trouble with them trying to walk around, so I just 2x4, 1x, and a spacer, and then sandwiched those together with another 2x4, and then hooked them together with another 2x4. So let's see how we do here. Okay, and the important thing about doing this is to go the same amount of turns on each side. So 4, there's 3, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Of course, you never want to get your fingers where if something breaks or lets loose, it'll get them. Okay, I had one board on here. I ended up putting a second one just to stabilize it because it twisted. I got it all loose. I'm gonna see if I can get this apart and gently pull the shock out of the spring. It is a good idea to spray those threads with WD-40, so I did that. And the same with these threads. And then you put this on, threads down, and there's grooves to fit over these 3 raised portions of the shock, and then you screw it all the way as closed as it'll go. Just make sure you don't lock the threads, because I'm gonna have to get in there and tighten this back up once I get it into the strut spring. Hopefully I can do that. I was going to have to tighten those up more with end cap not being on it. So now you take this and tighten that up as tight as you can with your fingers, just so it releases, is easier to release those springs, or the spring compressors. On the other side, I was able to do it until this was flush here, but I'm not going to be able to on this one. Maybe. Oh yeah, I am. Okay, now we will gently release the spring compressors evenly. Another look at it. Worked pretty good. I felt a lot safer the second time than when it slipped off me the first time. The ends are pretty lined up. Okay, I'm going to get this top bolt in. I'm going to have to tweak the bottom one a little, it looks like. Wrong way. Okay. Instead of putting this nut back on it, because you might notice I put that in backwards, and that was on purpose. I ordered these stainless steel M10. I don't know if you can see the M10. Stainless steel eyes that are a nut. So I'm putting those on here so when I haul it on my trailer, I don't have to strap through my tires anymore. You're supposed to strap straight forward. I can just strap into these eyes. And if I need to get towed, for hopefully not have to, but if I have to, I can use a strap and tow off those eyes also. Okay. And then the instructions that come with these are pretty clear as far as doing the adjustments, and I'm not going to do any of that until I have all the rest of my little projects done with this. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching.